Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the integration guys, right? So the question is the limit 0 tends to pi by 2 and the function is sine to the power 4 x dx, right? So I am going to find out the integration guys. So what is the question? Question, the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2 sine 4x dx, right? So it is the question guys, right? Are you getting my points? So we can write it as this term 0 tends to pi by 2 and we can write it as sine square x whole square, right, dx. Are you getting my points guys? Now we can apply the one formula guys. We know that 2 sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, okay, 1 minus cos 2x by 2, right? Are you getting my point? No. So 2 sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x and we can write it as sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, right? So we can apply this formula here, right? Okay. So what we can write here guys? We can write it as I is equal to 0 tends to pi by 2, okay, alright, and this term is equal to, we can write it as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square, okay. Are you getting my points guys? Dx. Now what we can write it as? What we can write here, I is equal to, we can write here it's whole square also guys. So we can write it as 0 tends to pi by 2, okay, alright, and we know that 1 by 2 whole square equal to, we can write we can take the common 1 by 4, right, and we can apply here a minus b whole square, right. So we can write here 1 minus 2 cos 2x and it will become plus cos square 2x right dx, right guys. So I is equal to, we can write here 1 by 4, the limit is 0 tends to pi by 2, okay, alright guys, and 1 minus 2 cos 2x, and once again we can apply here the cos square 2x guys. So once again we can apply cos square 2x is equal to, also know that cos square x equal to, we know that 1 plus cos 2x by 2, okay, alright. Are you getting? So the this angle is the double of this angle guys, right? So here is the cos square 2x, so we can write it as, what we can write it as, 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Are you getting my points? Okay, and into dx, into, we can write it as dx, okay guys. Are you getting my points, what I am saying? Now what we can write it as guys? Now we can write it as I is equal to 1 by 4, okay, and we can integrate, we can integrate now guys, and after taking the 1 by 2 LCM, so it will become, what we will get. So now after this step we will integrate, so 0 tends to pi by 2 and after taking the LCM it will become 2 guys, right, okay, and we can write here the 2 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x we can write it as, okay. Are you getting my points guys? So we can write here, what we can write here, 2 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x, right, and these two will become guys, what we will get, this 2 will become 4 because 1 2 is present earlier guys, right, and after taking the LCM it will become what, 4, and we can write here 2 and after closing the bracket dx is also present, guys. Okay, alright guys. Now we can write here the 1 by 4 and 0 tends to pi by 2. Okay, and after adding 2 plus 1 equal to, we can write it as what, 3, and you can take also the 2 common, so we can it will become plus 8, guys, right? And 2 plus 1 3 and minus 4 cos 2x, right, plus cos 4x. So this is in the general form of the integration, guys, right? So now I am going to integrate this function. So what is the function? So 1 by 8. So now we can integrate this function, guys. So the 3 integration of 3 equal to, we can write it as 3x. Now you can say that 4 cos 2x. So integration of cos 2x equal to sin 2x, right? So minus 4 cos 2x equal to, it will become sin 2x and divided by 2. Okay, right guys, alright. And this term cos 4x, we can write here sin 4x by 4. Are you getting my points, guys? So it will become sin 4x by 4, right? And the limit is, what is the limit, guys? You can say that the limit 0 tends to pi by 2. Okay, so now we will put the limit 0 tends to pi by 2. So the 1 by 2, 1 by 8, guys, and now we can put here the limits. Okay, so instead of the x, so first of all we will put the pi by 2, guys, because it is a upper limit. So 3 pi by 2 minus 4 into sine, so you can divide and it will become 2, guys. So you can write directly 2. Okay, so 2 sine 2x, so sine 2x, 2 into pi by 2. Okay, and plus we can write it as sine 4x, 4 into pi by 2 by 4. And after putting the value 0, so we will get this term 0 and this term 2 sine 0 minus 2 sine 0 plus, so this all sign will get converted after the multiplication with the minus sign, guys. So it will become plus and it will become minus sine 0 by 4, right? Alright guys, now we know that 1 by 8, and we know that after this cancel and it become also cancel, guys. So we know that what is the value of 3 pi by 2, so it will become the 3 pi by 2, guys. And we know that the formula 2 into sin pi, and we know that the formula sin pi is equal to 0, so we can write here the 2 into 0 plus sin 2 pi is also 0, so 0 by 4, and this all term is 0 because sin 0 is 0, right? So you can directly write it as, what we can write it as, 1 by 8 into 3 pi by 2. So after multiplying we will get the value 3 pi by 16. So 3 pi by 16, it will be the correct answer, guys, right? Are you getting my points, guys? So 3 pi by 16, it will be the correct answer. So thank you, guys.